Hi and welcome back to my channel guys. I am Vagisha Mishra. I review and decode beauty pageants at my channel. So if you're watching me for the very first time, please go ahead and subscribe the channel and also turn on the bell icon so you always get notified whenever a video goes live at my channel. So I am here before all of you to discuss what I think about the best candidates from the swimsuit competition at Miss Universe 2020 prelims competition. So without further ado, let's get started. So this list is in no particular order, and so let's start with Philippines Rabia Mateo. So the best thing about Rabia Mateo is that the moment she walks in the stage, she entirely grabs the attention of the audience. She has that aura, she has that spunk and energy in her, which is very difficult to forget and evade. So I feel that she gave a very good performance in the swimsuit competition of today prelims. Next, I have India Adeline Castellino. I think this was the very first time when India nailed the swimsuit competition. I mean, I remember Nehal Chudasma's competition at swimsuit round in the prelims, but if I talk about the overall presence, I think Adeline Castellino was simply stunning with her facial expressions, with her eyes, and with her overall spunk and energy. She was enjoying her moment on the stage, and that makes her more laudable when we talk about this particular competition. Next up, I have Kimberly Jimenez from Dominican Republic. Now, Dominican Republic stood as a dark horse for me in the swimsuit competition tonight in the prelims because I had been eyeing on her. But if I watch her performance and if I talk about her overall presence, I think she was fabulous with her twirls, with her turns. She had a very good body. And if we talk about her overall personality, she nailed it. She killed it with her presence. Although the hand-drawn face could have been better, but if we talk about her overall performance, I think she nailed it entirely. Next up, we have Thailand. If we talk about Thailand, she was literally on fire today. I mean, the moment she walked in the stage wearing that cape, although I was not a fan of that cape, but the moment she walked in the stage, it reminded me of her performance in the national pageant because she owned the swimsuit competition. Here as well, she was literally enjoying her moment on the stage, and because of the face, she has such a sweet and angelic face, and she's smiling all the way across the, the timing in the stage. She literally grabs the attention so easily. So she is also one among the favorite candidates from the swimsuit round. Now next we have Ayu Maulada from Indonesia. Now I feel that the bars that Indonesia has set last year in the last edition of the Miss Universe pageant is not going to settle down so easily because Indonesia is giving her all in the competition. She was on fire tonight. I loved her expressions, I loved her clean and neat posture on the stage, how she posed on the headroom and how she turned and she had a look at the camera. It was beautiful. It was simply amazing. I love her smiling face. She's so beautiful and gorgeous on stage that I could not take my eyes off from her performance. Next up, I had Nicaragua in my list. Now, Nicaragua was my favorite before the competition began, and whenever I had a look at her swimsuit pictures, many people, they used to just say that she's a Photoshop beauty, she's not giving her best. But she nailed her competition tonight. I mean, if you have watched her, do you still feel that she's a Photoshop beauty? No, not at all. Ana Marcelo was literally enjoying her moment on the stage. She was playing with her cape, she was playing with her movements, how she was walking left and right on the stage. It was fabulous and I thoroughly enjoyed her performance. Now next we have South Africa Natasha Joubert. I mean, can you forget about South Africa's performance in the swimsuit competition? I mean, I had been a fan of her ever since I saw her photo shoot for Fadel Beresham, the official photos for the Miss Universe competition. I'm still waiting to see that one. So when I watched her on the stage, I was so blown away because she has a beautiful face and she plays with her expressions. She is amazing when she takes her moment on the stage. Up next, I have Zulia Gama from Brazil. Brazil was fabulous in the swimsuit competition. I really liked how she's very fit and how cleanly she glides effortlessly on the runway. She nailed it. And my favorite performer from the swimsuit competition has to be Indra Meza from Mexico. I loved her performance. I totally loved her performance. She was flawless today on the stage. When I had a look at her body, her postures, her movements, I was blown away. It is this amount of discipline which we want to see the delegates projecting when they reach to any international pageant. So she was literally claiming her position in the top 5, or let's say the winner spot for the Miss Universe, and she nailed it. Now next, I loved Puerto Rico's performance. Puerto Rico actually reminds me of Catriona Gray's magnificence, and the way she glides so beautifully on the runway. She has that grace, she has that queenly aura which reflects from her eyes, and that is why I feel that Puerto Rico is a tough crown contender for this edition of Miss Universe. Other candidates whom I really liked in the swimsuit competition are Panama, I really liked Vietnam, and then I also liked Colombia, and apart from that, Great Britain was also quite good here. Jamaica was amazing, and then we had Myanmar, and I think I've spoken about all of my favorites from this round. So it was a tough job to narrow down these candidates to 10 or 12 top 5 or top 10 best performers from the swimsuit round or any other round for that matter, because this edition of Miss Universe, I've been repeating this repeatedly that it is the star edition, and this time the competition is nail biting. So for this video, that was all for today's video. You do let me know in the comment section which was your favorite swimsuit performance from the prelims tonight, and I'll be soon coming up with more videos, so stay tuned and I'll see you guys next time.